So what's going on, guys? DIY Dan again, and today I'm going to be doing a review on this Ridgid portable miter saw stand. Got this on a Black Friday about 5 years ago. I think I paid about 110 bucks for it, and so far it has done really well. This is not a review on how to buy the product, bring it home, and take it out of the box. This is a 5-year use and abuse, in and out of my truck, off and on job sites, up and down stairs, use and abuse review. So the first thing we'll discuss is the wheels. They are a hard plastic wheel, but they are a really big diameter too, so I've had it, like I said, on and off job sites, in and out of the back of my truck without an issue. As far as taking the stand up and down, it is a 1-foot operation. You do the same function for going up. Really easy to take up and down. Okay, and you're ready to go. Handles the weight really well. Now I did have a 12-inch Hitachi compound miter saw on this thing at first.
This is an absolute beast of a saw though.
And I did switch that out and go to an 8-inch Cobalt. It handled the Hitachi saw in this position, but when you were in the upright position, rolling it around, it was just too much weight. I didn't feel comfortable on job sites with that big of a saw on it. I do think it'll handle a 10-inch compound miter saw without a problem. So as far as the slides and moving the saw on the stand, they are both quick release, 1-lever operation. Same thing with the saw, quick release, and you can move the saw easily from side to side, which does come in handy because your slides also function as a wood stop. So you have a lever here and you can slide up and down in case you're cutting multiple pieces the same length. This is about 12 inches. So if you set this as a wood stop instead of just a support, you can cut just shy of 12 inches in multiple pieces. As far as the long side, take this one all the way out. I think I can cut to about 65 inches and use this as a wood stop as well. So this is a 6.5 foot 2x6 right here, and I'm going to add some extra weight to it so you can see that it handles it pretty well. Okay. I have cut 4x4s that are 8 foot long on this stand as well, and it handled those just fine. So I do not get any compensation for doing this review. I just thought for what I paid for it, this is a really good product. It is worth noting that Ridgid does have a lifetime warranty as well. You do have to go online and register their products to get that lifetime warranty. Not that you'd really have a problem with the stand. I haven't yet, and like I said, I've had this thing for about 5 years.
I'm just going to show you some quick obstacles and going up and down some stuff with the cart to show its versatility. So here's the tag to show you the model and the weight capacity it will hold.
So hope you guys enjoyed this video and hope to see you next time.